All right, we're gonna go in here this morning, see what's going on in the office. Life of a contractor. And look at the first person I see out here this morning is Carolyn Holby. Miss Carolyn, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
What are you doing?
You're fine? All right, I'm out here with Bo. We're gonna head to Odenton in a couple minutes. Right now we're gonna shoot a couple videos up front, and then we're gonna head to Odenton for a lawn sprinkler installation. And we're gonna move along on that. And then we're gonna head over to Crownsville on the water for installation of some outdoor lighting.
Can we take the boat?
Oh yeah.
You didn't even ask.
Wow, you could have brought Toad
I
the boat.
met you down here. You could have met me up there. We just take
Took
the
the
boat
boat right on down. All right.
Planning.
Poor planning on my part. Next week, stay tuned. We might arrive by boat to a job site on a house on the water. We got one coming up here in 2 weeks, a house on the water in Annapolis. So maybe we'll take the boat. Maybe you'll see us arrive by boat. All right, talk to you guys later.
So I need grass or cash, and I already got okay.
Gotcha.
But
All right.
grass or cash.
All right, after you heard that, that's enough, right? All right, see ya.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, we're in Odenton, Maryland here. We're going to see what's happening here on this installation. Hey, lady, how are you? Everything good? Ground's a little softer with all this rain.
A little soft, yeah.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago, with that none of that rain, it was hard everywhere, wasn't it? How many zones here? 5 or 6? 5?
Yeah. And just a little line, area only running the pipe.
I gotcha. Drainage. Where's that exit? Down here? Oh, exit right here? Gotcha. Okay. What was the side you and I were looking at today that didn't have any irrigation? Here? Just up top. By the garage?
Yeah, but it's only 4 inch.
4-inch property. Remember we were talking about this morning how close the houses are here? Remember? I was talking to you.
Yeah, and the Saturday is a lot of windy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice layout there. That looks good.
And 4 rotors in the front.
That's nice. So 6 zones here total?
5.
5 total. Okay. What are you guys doing?
Nothing productive.
That doesn't sound too good. But I guess you're being honest.
Yeah. Why would I lie to you?
That's true. That's true. I don't know about this other character here.
Who?
Where's the other character? Oh, I'm up and hide behind the plow. All right. Let's take a look, see what we got here. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. We're in Crownsville today. We're installing path lights on a pier for a client. I better stop and tie my shoe. We were here last week. Landscaper had to install these. Now they're all in. It really looks good. It's turned out nice, guys. Last week you guys were carrying them down. Now you got them installed. Really nice. Nice work. We were here last week. There was a lot of fish here last week. We didn't see no crabs, but we saw a lot of fish up on the pier. You see any fish today?
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of fish.
Rudy be here. He'd be out here fishing, wouldn't he? You got your holes all in, huh? A lot of work.
Yeah. I put the transformer already.
On the back side?
Yes.
Plugged it in the front side? Yeah, I was looking at that last week. Nice work, sir. You already ran the wire all the way over there?
Yeah. Already.
Wow.
Here, I take it off couple these ones and
Go long?
yeah.
That way the wire's all hidden. That way it's all mechanically protected behind there. That's nice. So we got all these drilled out this morning where these well lights are going. They're going to be flush in this walkway. Cast the light out 180 coming toward the water here. And that'll be nice. And then we're going to go this direction out here where the blue is. We're going to be drilling these. These are going to be closer to the side. Over here where the stringer was, where we just came from, couldn't do that. So this is going to be really nice. Beautiful day. Beautiful day out here in the water. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So the last one's going to be right here. Going to end with these two here. Get 10 in this direction, 11 in the other way, or 10 and 10, I should say, 20 total. Would be nice. How's this water tidal versus up where you're at, where your boat is? Same?
How is the water?
Well, as far as the the tide, the closeness of it.
What river are we on?
This is coming off the Severn here.
Okay.
Severn's behind this.
So it's not terribly different.
Pretty close?
Yeah.
I know there's always difference in different bodies of water because
I mean, this one, it probably takes a long time to get the tide in.
tied in different. Yours is quicker.
Well, I mean, we're right at the mouth of the river.
You're on the middle river, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nordy, this is going to look nice at night. Coming in here at night with the boat. So we're installing all LED low voltage lights, fixtures, all waterproof connectors. As the tide comes in, that won't have any problem. And Nordy's got the transformer mounted here. Don't have to worry about any water intrusion here. Mounted it up high enough to be out any kind of tides. We checked that prior to, so that's nice. And that's got a Astro timer in it, so that'll turn this on and off whenever we want. Automatically dials in with the latitude, latitude that we put into the timing device. It picks that up, so then we can run it dusk to dawn, or X amount of hours after it gets dark, and it automatically reset every time it polls, which is every day. Alrighty, Nordy. I'll talk to you back to the office tonight, sir. Good work out here.
Thank you.
That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.